Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera browser. You don't have to open it, just download it and go into Settings. Then scroll down, choose App Management and select the food apps. Over here, pick one of those options. I want to change my browser apps. I have to click on Browser app and tap on Opera to set it up. Then go back. As you can see, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!